Mr. Vyas, can you
Yes,
please tell us about yourself?
yes, sir. Thank you for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. I am Prathamesh Avinash Vyas, sir. I am from Akola, Maharashtra. I have done my graduation in commerce discipline. Along with that, I am also a qualified chartered accountant. I have done my articleship from Akola. During my articleship period, I have conducted various assignments like income tax audit, filing of income tax and GST returns. Sir, I have also conducted the concurrent audit of Akola Urban Cooperative Bank Limited, having deposit side of 1,600 crores. And also, sir, I have conducted the statutory audit of Bank of Maharashtra, Kolhapur branch. Sir, the main reason I want to join banking industry because my interest got developed toward this industry during my articleship period itself. In my free time, sir, I like to play chess and watch YouTube videos related to Sanatan Dharma. And my father is in PWD department, sir, and my sister is currently pursuing IIT JEE, sir.
Good. What is Sanatan Dharma?
Sir, Sanatan Dharma is a collection of various beliefs followed among the Hindu geography, sir.
Not Hindu geography, spirituality. Na?
Spirituality, sorry, spirituality, sir.
So, what do you know about
Uh,
Bhagavad Gita?
Sir, Bhagavad Gita is a small part of Mahabharata, which comes under the Bhishma Parva. It contains 700 slokas, which is a dialogue between Bhagwan Sri Krishna and Arjuna, where he got dilemma when he got the dilemma whether to fight or not fight for the dharma. Then Sri Krishna guide that he has to follow his duty as he's a Kshatriya, and the fighting is his duty for right cause.
Excellent. Now, when did you complete your CA?
Sir, in July 2022, sir.
What was the percentage of marks scored by you in CA?
Sir, in CA final, I have scored 54%, sir.
Good. How many attempts did you take to complete CA?
So my CA CPT and CA Inter I got in first attempt, sir, and I took 3 attempts in CA final, sir.
Oh God, 3 attempts in
Yes, sir.
finals. Sir, which
Yes,
sub
sir.
which subject were you finding it very difficult?
Sir, in first attempt, actually 3 subjects which I find difficult, sir: audit, like financial reporting, and third was direct taxation,
Sir,
which I have failed to clear. But sir, in second attempt, I cleared my second group with 205 out of 400 marks, sir. And in third attempt, I cleared with 220 marks out of 400.
so what are direct taxes?
The direct taxes are levied by government on the people to reduce the income inequality. Reduce the income inequality by taxing rich people more and distributing the excess amount of tax to the lower portions of the society, sir. It is called progressive taxation system.
Can you tell me, is that the only reason for putting direct taxes? Also tell me what are the direct taxes as on date currently in vogue. It is now being levied. What are the taxes, current direct taxes that are there?
The one income tax which I know, I think second was a wealth tax, which was direct tax, but it is now abolished.
Which one? Which one?
And wealth tax, wealth tax.
Why are you talking about it? Wealth tax gone back 30 years ago before you were born.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why are you mentioning about it?
Because sir, we have been taught in our curriculum that there was a
I
wealth
know,
tax, which was a direct tax.
I know. But that doesn't mean you have to tell it here. My question was very clear. Tell me
Hmm.
what are the direct taxes that are in use or vogue?
Sir, one income tax I know, sir. Not able to recall the other taxes, other
You are a
direct taxes. I
you are a CA Baba, not ordinary person.
Yes, sir.
If it had been told by some MBA, I would have accepted it. But
Yes, sir.
or MCOM, I would have accepted it. But you are a chartered accountant.
Yes, sir.
What is a
So,
direct?
sorry for the.
Types of taxes in India, direct and indirect tax. I'm giving you a link. Types of taxes in India, direct tax and indirect tax. Types of taxes, direct taxes, पढ़ लीजिए, please read. Direct tax.
Sir, I know about direct tax and indirect tax, sir. I just not able to recall the examples of direct tax, sir. I
Please
only know
read.
income tax, sir.
Please read.
Okay. Direct tax is levied on people's income and profit. For example, a taxpayer pays government for different purposes, including income tax and personal property tax. FBT. The burden has to be borne by the person on whom the tax is levied and cannot be passed to someone else. Central Board of Direct Taxes is the administration of, and administers the direct tax.
What is FBT? Hello, you please ask your people not to talk. उन लोग को बताओ बाहर जाने का बोलो.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry for the disturbance.
Yeah. अच्छा, FBT का मतलब फ्रिंज बेनिफिट्स टैक्स. इसका बारे में आपने सुना है? फ्रिंज बेनिफिट्स टैक्स.
ये मैंने I have read it in my final, sir, but I'm not able to recall this.
What is fringe benefit tax? Please read this. Fringe benefit tax.
Fringe benefit tax was a form of tax that companies paid in lieu of benefits they offered their employees in addition to the compensation paid to them. It was included by Finance Act 2025 with effect from 1st April 2026. It was set 30% of the cost of benefit of company paid, and it was aimed to bring under the net tax net those benefits that were previously out of it. This tax was paid in addition to income tax, irrespective of whether or not company had income tax liability. Yes, sir.
So I am giving this. Yeah, but I think is it there now? आजकल होता है नहीं होता है? Abolition of fringe benefit tax. इसका बारे में पढ़ लीजिए. Various provisions.
Actually, sir, ये हमारे syllabus में था, but not in that detail, sir.
I know.
Fringe benefit tax.
इसका बारे में पढ़ लीजिए. Various provisions.
Okay. Provisions related to income tax on fringe benefits were modified by Finance Act 2006. Certain exemptions were clearly laid out of with regard to what come under the purview of fringe benefit tax. The Finance Act 2009 abolished fringe benefit tax completely, and now such perquisites are taxable in the hands of employees. This may include value of accommodation, leave travel concession, encashment of non-availed earned leaves, and medical reimbursement, and so on. यस सर, बिकॉज ये इनकम टैक्स के परक्यूजिट्स के अंदर इसका टैक्सेशन होता है, इसलिए शायद ये वो उसका एबोलिशन करके इसको इनकम टैक्स में लिया था.
करेक्ट. सो इट इज
क्योंकि
they need not pay. I mean, companies need not pay this. It is the employees who have paid this now.
Yes, sir. In ITR, sir, actually we value this accommodation according to the rules of income tax.
Yeah.
Rent-free accommodation, interest-free subsidy. So like that.
For the question, what are the direct taxes? I think it is sufficient you say income tax or corporate tax or
property tax.
और property tax. इतना बोलने से हो जाएगा. समझ गया?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, because मेरे भी नजर में और कोई डायरेक्ट टैक्स नहीं था सर, क्योंकि वो डायरेक्ट टैक्स के सिलेबस में हमें सिर्फ इनकम टैक्स ही पढ़ाया गया था. Yeah,
very good. Now let us come to auditing experiences. Tell me some success experiences you had in auditing of banks.
Sorry, sir. What experiences?
Auditing experiences of banks.
Yes, sir. The major audit experiences which I have got during my statutory audit, sir, is that in certain cases the documentations of loan proposals were incomplete. In some cases, there was no post disbursement sanction letter attached by bank. Then in loan against property cases, there were some missing values. There were missing that the main document like valuation reports and search title reports. In gold loan cases, there is a lapse on the part of branch manager regarding handing over of the gold receipts which they are required to hand over the borrower as a proof of possession of gold with the banks. In case of vehicle loans, sir, the major lapses which I have observed that the RC was not on the record of the branch, sir, even when the loan was sanctioned before 3 to 4 months ago. Generally, the RC doesn't take more than 1 month after the purchase of vehicle, sir. But in some cases, the RCs were missing, sir. In certain home loan cases, sir, there was a there was a there insurance document of a property was missing, and in certain cases the insurance document were expired. As on 31st March, where sorry, as on 4th April, when we are auditing the branch, we found certain cases that the insurance was expired 2 months ago, and there is no follow up of that document on the part of branch, where we have highlighted the case that it need to be renewed. It need to be renewed as per the policies of the HO. And
Correct.
sir, in LFDR cases, sir, in LFDR cases there was a lapse on the part of bank that the lien mark was not made by the branch manager, sir, and which is not countersigned by manager. Yet there were documents, all are complete in all respects, sir, but there should be a lien mark on the FD in order to recover the FD, I think, sir, because I have consulted with my sir according for this purpose, sir. And sir, one also experience that they have they have not classified certain accounts as an NPA. Like in some term loan cases, there were installments which are long outstanding for 4 to 5 months. Still, they have not classified it as a NPA, sir. And there was also some irregularity. Sorry, sir.
Is it not being done by the computer automatically?
Sorry, sir. NPA, not NPA. Like this classification, substandard or doubtful classification.
तो NPA तो automatically हो जाता है, but
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. वो थोड़ा.
but even classification तो computer ही करना पड़ेगा. क्यों ऐसा नहीं होता है पता नहीं. Very good. Then tell me.
In Bank of Maharashtra वो नहीं हुआ था, सर. फिर उसकी वजह से we have to give the MOC, memorandum of change, and we have to curtail the profit by 13 lakhs.
No problem. That is right. Then any other experience of yours audit? What are the different types of audits that are there? Statutory audit.
Statutory audit, concurrent audit, revenue audit, risk-based internal audit, which I have known, sir.
Good. Excellent. Good. You told these questions nicely. I am happy. I am happy about your answering these questions. Now,
yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
What is it you are doing nowadays?
Sir, I'm only preparing for the bank exam, sir. In the first 4 to 5 months, sir, I have joined Tata Advanced System Limited as a management trainee. But due to, sir, hectic working hours, I was not able to study properly. So I have left my job and I am fully studying for this profile, sir. Actually, sir, I want this profile only, sir, the specialist officer in credit.
Are you
I was preparing for this profile.
Are you trying for a normal probationary officer also?
No, sir. No.
Why?
So, because as a specialist officer, my skills will be used in a very efficient manner, sir. Because my work experience and my knowledge can be used in this domain in a good, efficient manner. As a PO, I have to do various. I have to do the general responsibilities in the branch, sir. But as a specialist officer, I have the job which I need, and I think which in which I can use my skills efficiently. I think,
Or
like
is
in
it or or
Hmm.
is it because you find clearing that will be very tough for you? Was that the reason?
I think it is not a reason that I want to, because sir, yeah, I accept that there is a lot of competition in in POSP, but I think sir, this is the profile which I wanted to, so I selected this profile, sir. There is no such thing that I don't want to attempt the PO exam like that.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
That's the reason, sir.
What is meant by priority sector lending, and what are the
So,
sectors that come under this?
sir, priority sector lending is mandated by RBI to the banks because there are
Mand-
certain
man-
deprived
ma-
section
mandated by whom? Mandated by whom? You said IBA. That is
mandated.
wrong. That is wrong.
Sorry,
RBI.
sorry,
RBI.
sir, RBI, sir. There is a mistake. RBI,
हाँ,
sir.
बोलिए.
Uh, Sorry, 1 second, sir. The RBI has mandated the banks to give deprived sections of the society where they find difficult to find the to get the credit from the banks. It involves areas related to agriculture, export finance, housing, education, renewable energy, uh, advance to weaker sections of the society, and uh, one and I think missing. Sir, I'm able.
What are the items you told? Tell again. Agriculture,
Agriculture, export finance, housing,
export
renewable
fine.
energy,
Mm,
agriculture, housing, export finance, education,
mm,
renewable
mm,
energy, weaker
mm.
advances to weaker section, and other, and MSME.
Education,
Sorry, MSME, sir.
eh,
MSME.
MSME also. Good, good. Now tell me, when is the next budget to be presented by the union government?
So I think it's 27 of July, sir. 27 of July.
23rd.
23rd. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Please check up kar
Okay,
लीजिए. No problem.
okay,
Check
sir.
up. What do you
Actually, sir,
expect? What do you expect new in this budget? Now I am asking like this, but in reality, your interview is going to be after budget. So they will
yes,
ask
sir.
you, what are the 5 important points you noticed in the budget? That will be the
So
question.
one thing which I have read is like they are planning to increase the exemption, sorry, the deduction of 50,000 rupees with the salaries class get up to 1 lakh rupees, sir.
Mm,
This is I have read in the notes which is provided by you, sir.
mm, good. Then
Mm,
anything
yes,
else?
sir. Anything else? I think they
Okay.
will.
No, no, I don't know. If you go through business world, you will understand so many new points they are telling about electrical vehicle sector that will get a benefit. Another sector, they say unemployment is going to be given more importance like that.
Yes,
So
sir.
many. So उसको पढ़ने से
Yes,
तो
yes, sir. I have read in today's newspaper, sir. The PM Modi is taking view on inclusive employment. I think I
yeah,
read
yeah,
this news, sir,
yeah.
today. Yes, sir.
What is meant by self-help group members and what are they doing?
So self help group members forms a group in order to do the savings and also to cooperate with each other for the lending activities in order to support each other. Where one of the members which have surplus cash can be used to give finance to another member who have a deficit or who has a need for the finance. It will help the public. It will help the members.
No.
It will help the members.
Everything okay. You have to tell specifically self-help group. They open an account with the bank. They start saving
Banks.
money. Depending on the
Yes, sir.
saving made by them, bank gives loan to them, which is
Yes.
distributed among members, and they in turn repay. And again, the bank gives a higher loan. Something like that you should speak.
Yes, sir. They also need to follow the Panchasutras, sir, like regular saving, regular lending, regular meeting, regular recovery, and maintenance of the proper books of accounts.
Acha. In one day's interview, I think they asked this. What is that Pancha Sutra? Boliye?
So the first is regular meeting.
1 minute. Let me note down. A regular meeting, then
Regular savings,
okay,
regular lending,
okay,
regular recovery,
okay.
and maintenance of proper books of accounts.
Regular maintenance of books of accounts.
Proper books of, yes, sir.
Good. Thank you. They have asked in Union Bank this question. Yeah.
Yes,
Next
sir.
question. What is meant by limited liability companies?
Limited liability companies are those companies, sir, whose shares are limited. The liabilities of the companies are limited to the up to the face value of the shares, sir.
No. Actually, you have to say the liability of the members, shareholders.
Members, sorry, sir. Members of the company is limited to the paid up value of the shares, sir.
ऐसा बोलना है. You are from which state?
Sir, Maharashtra, sir.
Who is Maharashtra Chief Minister today?
Sir, Mr. Eknath Shinde.
Who is the Governor of Gujarat?
Governor of Gujarat? No, sir, no idea, sir.
What is the use of Atal Pension Yojana?
Sir, Atal Pension Yojana is given to those sections of the society who doesn't get pension after the employment. Atal Pension Yojana can be it is useful. It is useful because it serves it gives the pension to the persons who cross the age of 60 by contributing from the age of 18 years to the pension scheme, and it is also beneficial to the spouse of the holder after his death. It is also beneficial to them, sir.
Good, very good. Now, one question for you. What do you know about balance sheet analysis? उसका बारे में क्या मन में आता है? Briefly talk about it.
Yes, sir. Balance sheet analysis. Sir, can I talk in Hindi, sir?
हिंदी में बोलिए, कोई बात नहीं.
Sir, balance sheet analysis में sir primarily जो हम ratios analyze करते हैं वो है debt equity ratio in order मतलब इसमें हम जो कंपनी की लॉन्ग टर्म सॉल्वेंसी है उसके ऊपर कॉल लेते हैं सर. अगर कोई कंपनी में ज्यादा डेट है तो उसका सॉल्वेंसी पे तो थोड़ा सा इशू आता है जिससे मतलब दे हैड मोर फिक्स ऑब्लिगेशन जिसकी वजह से उनका इंटरेस्ट उनको ज्यादा देना पड़ सकता है. और उसके बाद में सर जिससे उसका करंट जैसे करंट रेशियो करंट उनकी जब अगर शॉर्ट टर्म लिक्विडिटी को अगर एनालाइज करना है तो उनके करंट एसेट्स एनालाइज करने पड़ेंगे. उनका करंट रेशियो कैसा है, उनके क्विक एसेट्स रेशियो कैसे है. इसके बाद में सर अगर उनका ये देखना है रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी कैसा है तो सर वी नीड टू एनालाइज द नेट प्रॉफिट एंड द कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड बाय द बिजनेस. एंड if we need to आंसर अगर हम अपने को कैलकुलेट करना है कि उस कंपनी में लॉन्ग टर्म फंड्स में जो एसेट्स है वो कौन से तरह के फंड से फाइनेंस है. जैसे कोई अगर उनका नेगेटिव वर्किंग कैपिटल है तो उससे हम एनालाइज कर सकते हैं कि इसका जो फंड्स है वो नॉन करंट एसेट में ज्यादा इन्वेस्टेड है, और अगर उसका करंट रेशियो अच्छा है तो इसका मतलब यही है कि इसके जो भी करंट फाइनेंसेस है उसके करंट एसेट्स में ही ज्यादा इन्वेस्टेड है सर।
Please tell me, what do you know about Punjab National Bank?
ओके सर, पंजाब नेशनल बैंक पंजाब नेशनल बैंक ये भारत की सबसे पहली स्वदेशी बैंक है सर, जिसको लाला लाजपत राय और दयाल सिंह मजीठिया जी ने स्थापन किया था लाहौर में, आज उसका हेडक्वार्टर न्यू दिल्ली है सर। रिसेंटली सर पंजाब नेशनल बैंक ने 1.75 रुपीज का डिविडेंड डिक्लेयर किया है, विच इज 75% ऑफ इट्स पेड अप वैल्यू ऑफ द शेयर सर। जो इसका नेट प्रॉफिट है वो 8,225 करोड़ है इस साल का, मार्च एज ऑन मार्च 24, जिसमें 229% का ग्रोथ है, ईयर ऑन ईयर ग्रोथ है सर। देन पंजाब नेशनल बैंक के सर प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर लेंडिंग के टारगेट्स पूरे हो चुके हैं सर। जैसे उसका ओवरऑल नेशनल टारगेट 40% है, तो पंजाब नेशनल बैंक का 40.57 है सर। स्मॉल स्मॉल फार्मर्स के लिए जो टारगेट है 10% का, तो इट इज ऑल्सो अचीव 10.09। एंड ऑल्सो सर अदर टारगेट्स आर ऑल्सो अचीव्ड बाय द बैंक सर। बैंक के ईयर ऑन ईयर के डिजिटल ट्रांजेक्शन 659 करोड़ है सर। एज ऑन डेट बैंक के 10,138 ब्रांचेस है, इंक्लूडिंग 2 ओवरसीज ब्रांचेस सर। टोटल 12,131 एटीएम्स है सर, एंड 36,000 प्लस बिजनेस करस्पॉन्डेंट्स। देन सर पंजाब नेशनल बैंक को टोटल 6 अवार्ड्स मिले हैं सर। एक एज 5.0 रिफॉर्म के अंदर थर्ड रैंक है। उसके बाद में पंजाब नेशनल बैंक बेस्ट एमएसएमई फ्रेंडली अवार्ड है बाय कॉन्फेडरेशन ऑफ एमएसएमई। देन बेस्ट द जेंडर इंक्लूजन अवार्ड भी पंजाब नेशनल बैंक को मिला है सर। देन नाइन्थ सीआईओ सिनोप्सियम 2024 में पंजाब नेशनल बैंक को 2 कैटेगरीज में अवार्ड मिला है। एक है बी and second is PMB Aram, which is its mobile app on Play Store. And 2 awards are in data quality में मिले in consumer bureau segment sir. And GNP ratio of Punjab National Bank is 5.73, NNPA ratio 0.73. Total global business है 23,50,000 crore plus। उसमें से डिपॉजिट से 13 लाख करोड़ प्लस सर, एंड एडवांसेस because I'm not able to recall sir, the exact figures of that
Okay,
global
thank you.
business.
Thank you so much. Best wishes. We'll
Okay.
meet again
Okay.
before the interview date. Thank you.
Yes sir. So what improvements required sir from my side?
You know it. You are finding it difficult in some places to answer properly. So those areas you have to improve. For
Sir,
example,
in balance sheet analysis, what am I supposed
balance sheet analysis, whatever you feel like you can say, but आपने जो बोला, I was 50% happy about it. Here you must have told
Okay.
about from the angle of credit analysis angle. First tell about current ratio, debt service coverage ratio, debt equity ratio, then turnover ratio.
Okay.
Some important ratios को बताना है, बता के how it is
balance sheet
useful for us to,
analysis?
yeah, credit analysis के लिए
Because
how use होता है.
बिकॉज सर बैलेंस शीट एनालिसिस बहुत वाइड टर्म है सर, बिकॉज उसमें बहुत सारे रेशियोज इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं, बहुत सारा मतलब क्रॉस रेशियोज भी इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं।
It all depends on with whom are you talking. When you are talking for
Yes sir.
interview purposes, this is the angle you will say. But when you are talking
Yes
to
sir.
investors, you will talk with a view to highlight about the earnings, return on equity, etc. So return on assets, etc. So it depends. Otherwise, what you told was not wrong. It was okay. So best wishes.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
No,
Sir, and the
but
next doubt, sir, one doubt.
you will be selected because your profile is good, huh? So it should not be a problem. Yeah, tell me.
Thank you sir. Sir, one doubt is like when they ask what do you know about PNB, am I supposed to tell this much, or What
No, no,
should I
actually,
primarily tell them?
actually, PNB, when they ask, you should not tell about history. You
Okay,
should
sir.
tell PNB was started in the year so and so. Its
Yes,
present
sir.
managing director is so and so. It has got so many
Okay.
branches, so many ATMs, so many bank
Okay.
correspondents.
Correspondent. Yes, sir.
The business position as on 31/3 is total business position is this much. Deposit itna hai, advance itna hai.
Sir,
And
actually, I have, matlab, sorry.
net profit itna रुपया है. Then
Okay. Okay.
return on asset इतना है, return on equity इतना है. इसका बाद में से इनका gross NPA इतना है, net NPA इतना है. और they have declared a
Okay.
dividend of so and so. They have received the following awards. They are doing corporate social responsibility in these areas. It is a prestigious institution, and I would like to join this bank so that my career prospects will be good.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir.